Hello from Barcelona. Here we are on the top of a formal bull ring called Arenas to enjoy the view at the square called Plaza d'Espanya. This square was built for the 1928 Barcelona International Exposition. From here you can also see the park named after the artist Joan Miro. This bullring was built in the beginning of 1900s, in the Moorish revival style. It served for bullfighting at first, but it has been converted into a shopping center after Catalan Parliament banned it in 2012. At the entrance to the exhibition district, you can see the Venetian towers, which were modeled after the tower on St. Mark's Square in Venice. The towers are 47 meters tall. Here's the magic fountain, famous for the dancing water show with lights and music. This is the National Palace that hosts the National Art Museum of Catalonia. Moving on to the most visited site in Barcelona, Basílica de la Sagrada Familia, dedicated to the Holy Family. Its construction began in 1882 and is expected to be finished in 2026. Now let's go to the oldest part of Barcelona's port called Port Bay. Here we can see the sculpture created by an American pop artist, Roy Lichtenstein. Next is the Museum of the History of Catalonia. It was built to preserve Catalan history and create greater awareness of the Catalan culture. Now let's just take a walk around the Port Bay.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight.
Here's the end product of change and restoration of the Barcelona coastline for the 1992 Summer Olympics. Here you'll see the IMAX Theatre, the Aquarium and the Maremagnum shopping center.
Here and go. You said I could be anything. I said I would be someone who's with you. Said I could call you anytime.
The aquarium is one of the most visited Barcelona attractions, along with Sagrada Familia, Park Güell and Barcelona Football Club Museum.
I don't wanna waste your time, and I don't want you wasting mine. You are someone to meditate on. You are someone to meditate on.
Next is Columbus Monument, located at the lower end of the iconic street La Rambla. The monument serves as a reminder that Christopher Columbus reported to the Catholic monarchs Isabella and Ferdinand in Barcelona after his first trip to the new continent.
We all make mistakes, and we all hurt in the same way. But you're poor, black or white, up or down, it's all the same. You and me, let's give it a shot. We're shooting down our misery.
Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked it, and if you did, check out my other videos about Barcelona and other cool cities on my channel. Hit the subscribe button for more content like this one. Also, you can let me know your ideas and suggestions in the comments down below. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.